Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Gimp on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. So what is Gimp? It is a free and open source image editing application. So in order to install Gimp on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS, we have to follow these three steps. So the step 1, we have to add PPA by using this command. Step 2, we have to update the repository by using this command sudo apt-update. And step 3, we will install Gimp by using this command sudo apt-install Gimp. Okay, so these commands in video description, guys, you can check it out. So let's go to the terminal. So let me minimize this. Okay, so you need to come to the desktop and right click on this and then click on this open terminal. And you can see, guys, we have this terminal opened. You can also open this terminal by using another method. So let me close this. So in order to open the terminal by using another method, you have to press Alt Ctrl T key on your keyboard. I am pressing that. And here you can see, guys, we have this terminal opened. Okay, so let's go to the file. Okay, so the step 1 we have is we have to add PPA by using this command. Okay, so let me copy this command and let's go to the terminal. Okay, and let me paste that command. Okay, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. Just provide your password and then hit enter. Press enter to continue. So just press enter key on the keyboard. Okay guys, so the PPA has been added. Let's go to the step 2, update repository by using this command sudo apt-update. So let me copy this. Let's go to the terminal and let me paste that command sudo apt-update and then hit enter key on the keyboard. Okay guys, so it's done. And step 3, now install Gimp. Okay, so we have to use this command sudo apt-install Gimp. So let me copy this command. Let's go to the terminal and let me paste that command sudo apt-install Gimp, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. Do you want to continue? Just press Y key on the keyboard and then hit enter. Okay guys, so it's installed. So just close the terminal and click on this show applications at the bottom left. And guys, here you can see we have this search box. Just do a search for Gimp. Okay, so here we have the GNU image manipulation program, that is Gimp. Click on it to open it. You can see it's opening and you can see it's opened. Okay, so in order to check the version from here, you need to click on this help in the top menu over here. Click on this about. You can see here we have the Gimp 2.10.10 installed on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, so what if you want to add Gimp to this dock? Okay, so in order to add Gimp to this dock, what you need to do, you need to click on this again, this show applications at the bottom left, and just do a search for Gimp. And here we have. Okay, so just right click on this and then click on this add to favorites. You can see GNU image manipulation program has been added to your favorites. Okay, so let me exit from here. Okay guys, so you can see here we have the GNU image manipulation program, that is Gimp, added to this dock. Okay, so if I click on this, you can see it's opening. Okay guys, so it's done and it's installed in Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.